In a quiet village by a misty lake, there lived two otters, Luna and Finn. Luna was playful and curious, always exploring the reeds and riverbanks, while Finn was gentle and thoughtful, with a knack for finding the sweetest berries and the calmest spots in the water. They had been inseparable for years. Finn adored Luna with all his heart, often putting her happiness above his own. He shared his best finds, swam beside her every morning, and left tiny, shiny pebbles near her favorite resting spots. But lately, Luna's mind had begun to wander. He's so attentive, so loving, but what if his heart drifts somewhere else? She wondered silently. Small doubts crept into their days. "You don't seem as close to me as before," she murmured one afternoon. Finn would glance at her with tired eyes and say, "I've been by your side every day for years. If I didn't care, would I still be here?" One chilly dawn, her doubts boiled over. "Tomorrow, before sunrise, we'll meet at the old willow by the lake. Whoever arrives first proves the depth of their love," she said firmly. Finn paused, then smiled gently. "If it reassures you, I'll meet you there." Evening fell, painting the lake silver and purple. Luna returned to her cozy burrow, determined to wake before the first light. Finn stayed near the willow, gazing at the mist rising from the water. "I can't risk sleeping and missing her," he whispered to himself. "If she sees me waiting, she'll never doubt my love." The night grew bitter. Frost coated the reeds, and the wind rattled the branches. Finn curled himself into a small ball, shivering as his fur stiffened in the cold. His eyes teared from the chill, but his spirit stayed firm. All night, he thought only of Luna, imagining the moment she would see him waiting patiently. Meanwhile, Luna tossed and turned, her heart racing under the starlit sky. "I'll reach the willow first," she told herself. "And he'll know how much I care, too." When the horizon blushed with the first rays of light, she darted to the willow. Her paws touched the soft grass, but Finn was nowhere to be seen. Her heart faltered. Maybe he doesn't love me as much," she whispered, sitting on a low branch, her tail dipping into the mist. Then, something glimmered near the roots of the willow. Hidden under a thin frost, a small, dark shape stirred. Luna's breath caught as she approached. There lay Finn, curled against the cold earth, fur frosted, whiskers stiff, eyes closed forever. "No, no, no," she cried, pressing her paws against him, warmth failing to reach him. Tears streaming, she noticed something beside him, a tiny, polished pebble, the same one he had given her last spring, and a small feather neatly resting against it. It wasn't written in words, but the message was clear. "I stayed here through the night, not to prove, but to show that my love never wavered." She held him close, grief and regret mingling in her sobs. "You foolish heart," she whispered. "You stayed all night just for me to see. I should have never doubted you." In love, we often seek grand gestures and dramatic proofs, forgetting that true love lives in quiet acts, in presence and patience, in warmth that persists even when unspoken. Sometimes we test those who care for us most, forgetting that love isn't a contest, it's a bond to protect. A heart that truly loves endures silently, giving without complaint. But if we doubt too long, we may only find memories where love once stood. Trust before suspicion. Hold before pushing away. For sometimes, by the time we understand a silent devotion, it is already too late to hear it again.